Ivy. Hi, mommy.
If you do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
Oh my God!
Why the fuck were you up? No.
Can you hold on?
Hello? Whoa. Hey, buddy, I can't let you outside.
You have no limbs. Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry. Oh my god.
Say hi to everybody. Hello.
You have 3 beds and blankets, but there's the best spot.
We love bath songs.
Can you say hug?